phone call on the way home. Got chicks. So,
Come down here to the brooder.
yeah. Taking down here the brooder.
We've got to get, there's no water in right now.
Correct. There's no water. I gotta put food in, get some water.
We've got to go in the house and get some warmer water.
Yes. You don't want to do cold water. Really don't want to do, like if you got a well, you don't want tap, you know. Really you want water that's been sitting on the counter for like a day. Room temperature, because it's going to shock their body. Same thing with quail. The mistake people make is they just go to the faucet, open it up, get cold water, and it lowers their body temperature. So we usually keep a bottle of a couple jugs of water on the counter just for such an occasion. But it's at the house.
What doing, Mama?
Hey, Mama.
What's it doing, babies? Look at all the babies. Look at all the babies.
Don't irritate Mama, Mama.
We're not going to irritate Mama. Okay. This is the chick room.
So what I need to do real quick is plug everything.
Yeah. So we've got a mother hen.
I got a mother hen I gotta plug up. And then I'll have to adjust the mother hen.
Well, just a mother hen.
I don't know how big the chicks are, so that's why I got.
Right. I think it's probably about right. Let's see.
What's it? I mean, with the fluff and everything.
Yeah, I think it's about right. There's good clearance there.
That.
And the Premier One light. They're safer than the other lights.
Yeah, we like this. We can lower it. I may have to lower that light. We'll see.
Right. All right, let's get these guys. There's the feed.
So, actually,
And we're in orange.
orange.
Everything is color coded per batch. You've got purple run. We've got the next batch is
Orange.
the orange run. And they have matching buckets for when we start to ferment.
Yes. This way we can keep track of cost. How much feed we use and all of that.
Ha.
You know I've messed this.
It's all right.
She don't like this feeder. I don't like this feeder either, but
Yeah, they tend to get up inside that feeder.
they do.
They'll just jump up there after a couple weeks and be in the feeder.
So the key is to put feed and everything close to the light.
Close but not too far in. You don't want it to get warm.
Yes. Water I'm going to have to go get.
Okay. There we go. Water, food, now chicks. Let's see how many we got. We got to count these coming out. There's supposed to be a specialty chick in there. Don't know what they sent. There's a +1. There it is.
Alright guys, looks like everybody's here. Nice size. See this? Nice and fluffies.
You only have to give a couple
Yep.
the water, and then they'll show the others where they are. Is that 4? They're all alive and doing well. These are nice, healthy chicks. No, none of them are lethargic.
Yeah, they're all pretty good size.
They'll find in that mother hen over there.
We need rocks.
doing great. We've all found the water. They're over there in the food. And they found on the other hand, they're in the light. And they're scattering, so they're not real cold. Yes, today's 21st. You got any more rocks? Okay, give me, because these little brown ones keeps getting in here, in the trough. There's one right here.
I got some more small ones.
I think that might do it. Let's see. One more. There you go. Okay, this is our label system. Each batch that come in, we put the originating farm on, the arrival date, how many we had, and that is including the special chick. And then we'll have our expected dispatch date and how many we actually made it to butcher, how many bags of feed it took, the daily feed, the tractor, and all that loss tally at the bottom. So, Paul. Oh, we're putting fluff up. So, that's it for getting chicks.
Yep, that's it.
That's it. That's all it is. For the stuff that calls, you get in the car and you go.
Yep.
All right. See y'all later.
Have a good one.